Yes, good morning, friends. How are you all? So, today we are here online education and we will discuss about tense. Yesterday, we discussed about simple present tense and present continuous tense. Today, we will discuss present perfect and present perfect continuous tense, right? So, present perfect tense. See, the form of present perfect tense have in the simple present plus verb in the past participle form, okay, such as I have worked in positive way, in negative I have not worked, interrogative have you worked, okay. For example, have you finished the job? No, I have not finished yet. Yes, I have already finished, okay. She has just finished her job, okay. The past participle of regular verb is verb plus ed, okay. Play, played. Visit, visited. Finish, finished. The past participle of irregular verbs cannot be predicted. There is no rule, but there is a list of regular verbs that you have to learn by heart, okay. Be, was, were, been. Come, came, come. Go, went, gone. Do, did, done. Infinitive, simple past, and past participle. So, to emphasize on the result of a past action without mentioning the actual time when it happened, examples: I have met that boy before. We have discussed this issue a few times. Okay, so action performed in a period that has not finished yet, the same day, week, month, etc. Have you seen Have you seen Lassie today? I have had several tastes this month. I've had several tastes this month. The day is not over yet. The month has not finished yet. Okay. Action that started in the past and has continued until now, often used with since indicating the beginning of action or for indicating the duration of action. They have lived here for 10 years. I have not seen her since we left high school. Ram and Sham have known each other since they were at primary school. So it is used to indicate completed activities in the immediate past. Okay, he has just taken the medicine. Okay, if we talk about present perfect versus past simple tense, the use of past simple instead of present perfect requires clear reference to a past period or moment. In present perfect, I have met that boy before. I met that boy at the beach last Sunday. Have you seen Ram recently? Did you see Ram yesterday? Okay, it denotes, it shows past tense. We have discussed the issues a few times. We discussed issues. We discussed these issue last month. We have discussed this issue a few times. We discussed this issue last month. I have had some taste this week. I had some taste last week. Okay. So, if we talk the syntax of present perfect tense, subject plus has have plus verb, third form. Okay. Suppose that मैं एक पत्र लिख चुका हूँ. Okay. So, how to say? I have written a letter. तुम जयपुर देख चुके हो. You have seen Jaipur. Okay. मनीषा सो चुकी है. Manisha has slept. मैंने मैंने आज एक घोड़ा देखा है. I have seen a horse today. Okay. See, if we talk about negative sentences, okay, subject plus has have plus not plus verb, third form. Okay. Suppose that मैंने एक पत्र नहीं लिखा है. I have not written a letter. तुमने जयपुर नहीं देखा है. You have not seen Jaipur. Okay. If we talk about interrogative sentences, okay, so what is the formula? What is the syntax? Has have plus subject plus verb plus third form, right? So suppose that क्या मैं एक पत्र लिख चुका हूँ? हैव आई रिटन अ लेटर? तुमने क्या खाया है? व्हाट हैव यू ईटन? ओके, क्या वे दिल्ली गए हैं? हैव दे गॉन टू दिल्ली? Okay, so if we talk about interrogative negative, okay, suppose that क्या मैं एक पत्र नहीं लिख चुका हूँ? हैव आई नॉट रिटन अ लेटर? क्या तुमने जयपुर नहीं देखा है? हैव यू नॉट सीन जयपुर? ओके, सो in this way we can show present perfect tense. Next, let's talk about present perfect continuous. Have in the simple present, been and verb ing. Okay, if we talk about affirmative, I have been working. Negative, I have not been working. I have not been working. Interrogative, have you been working? Okay, I have been driving. Okay, he has been sleeping. I have not been driving. He has not been sleeping. Okay, if we talk about more examples, I have been studying English for 2 years. Have you been studying English for 2 years? She has been revising her lessons. Okay, she has not been hanging around with her friends. Okay, so we use the present perfect continuous to show that something started in the past and has continued up until now, indicating a duration for an hour, for 2 weeks, etc. They have been watching TV for the last 3 hours. She has been studying at this institution for 3 years. What have you been doing for the last 30 minutes? Okay, so the present perfect continuous is also used without indication of duration. This use indicates an action that has occurred lately or recently. Okay, I have been feeling really tired recently. She has been smoking too much lately. Okay, like that. So if we talk about syntax or formula, subject plus has been or have been plus verb first form ing plus object plus for or since plus time. Okay, see, for का यूज समय की अवधि पीरियड ऑफ टाइम के लिए किया जाता है. यदि वाक्य में आर, डे, वीक, मंथ, ईयर आदि शब्द दिए होते हैं तो फॉर का यूज़ किया जाता है. ओके, सपोज दैट फॉर 3 hours, फॉर 2 weeks, फॉर 7 months, फॉर 2 years, एट्सेट्रा. सिंस का यूज़ पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम के लिए होता है, निश्चित समय के लिए होता है. घड़ी का समय, दिन का नाम, दिन व तारीख, महीने का नाम आदि के साथ सिंस का यूज़ होता है. ओके, सच एज सिंस 3 o'clock, सिंस मंडे, सिंस 10 March, सिंस जुलाई, सिंस 1990, सिंस मॉर्निंग, सिंस इवनिंग, सिंस नाइट, सिंस लास्ट नाइट, सिंस नून, सिंस यस्टरडे, सिंस लास्ट वीक, मंथ. ओके, सिंस बर्थ, सिंस ही केम जब से वे आया है, सिंस ही वेंट जब से वे गया है. ओके, इफ यू टॉक अबाउट एग्जाम्पल्स, मैं सुबह से ये उपन्यास पढ़ रहा हूँ. आई हैव बीन रीडिंग दिस नॉवल सिंस मॉर्निंग. ओके, विद्यार्थी मार्च से कठिन परिश्रम कर रहे हैं. द स्टूडेंट्स हैव बीन वर्किंग हार्ड सिंस मार्च. वे सन 1988 से जयपुर में रह रहे हैं. दे हैव बीन लिविंग इन जयपुर सिंस 1988. हरीश सोमवार से कहानी लिख रहा है. हरीश हैज़ बीन राइटिंग ए स्टोरी सिंस मंडे. If we talk about present perfect continuous in negative sense, okay, in present perfect continuous negative statement, negative sentence, subject plus has have plus not plus been plus verb first form ing. Okay, if we talk about interrogative, has or have plus subject plus been plus verb plus ing. Okay, if we talk about negative, subject plus has have plus not plus been plus verb first form ing. Interrogative, has or have plus subject plus been plus verb first form ing. Okay, suppose that मैं सुबह से ये उपन्यास नहीं पढ़ रहा हूँ. आई हैव नॉट बीन रीडिंग दिस नॉवल सिंस मॉर्निंग. वह सन 1988 से जयपुर में नहीं रह रहा है. ही हैज़ नॉट बीन लिविंग इन जयपुर सिंस 1988. इफ यू टॉक अबाउट इंट्रोगेटिव, क्या हम 6 वर्षों से जयपुर में रह रहे हैं. हैव वी बीन लिविंग इन जयपुर फॉर 6 years. क्या सीता शाम से भोजन पका रही है. हैज़ सीता बीन कुकिंग फूड सिंस इवनिंग. हैज़ सीता बीन कुकिंग फूड सिंस इवनिंग. ओके, इंटरोगेटिव नेगेटिव, क्या मैं सुबह से ये उपन्यास नहीं पढ़ रहा हूँ. हैव आई नॉट बीन रीडिंग दिस नॉवल सिंस मॉर्निंग. क्या वह शुक्रवार से मुझे नहीं पढ़ा रहा है. हैज़ ही नॉट बीन टीचिंग मी सिंस फ्राइडे. So in this way we can show present perfect continuous, right? Now a question is that where we have to use has or where we have to use have. Okay, he she it name, we have to use has. He she it name. Okay, singular we have to use has. I you we they, or plural we have to use have. Okay, and once again where we have to use since. Okay, since 3 o'clock, since Monday, since 10 March, since July, since morning, evening, since night, since Diwali, since Holi. Okay, since birth, since yesterday. Okay, and if we talk about for, okay, for it is used period of time, and since it is used point of time, right? For 3 hours, for 2 weeks, for 7 months, for 2 years, etc. So it was all about present perfect and present perfect continuous tense. Okay, I hope you must have enjoyed this video. Thank you very much.